Hi, and welcome to Loom. I'm going to show you a small little preview of what I've been working on. Are you familiar with LLMs? Of course you are, little chatbots. Well, I got frustrated after experimenting with them and finding that it was difficult to save my queries. It was difficult to copy and paste my queries, and I went ahead and built a workspace to help me do that. So as you see here, I've created a text node and I'm going to enter a simple query. This is a little more manually intensive than just typing a query and hitting enter, but you'll soon see the power once we make more than a few nodes connect. So I'm going to demonstrate here with a simple creative exercise. And no summary after lists, because quite often LLMs think that's helpful, and it's not. It just makes a mess. There we go. And that's just text, so that's not helpful. Let's go back to the node network and create a query, and we're going to have to hook them up. So we'll hook up to the output of the text, and you can see this is still a command line tool, and it's not graphical, but we do get our nice list. Uh-oh, I don't want that. Try again, please. That's gonna mess up stuff. Great. Glimmerkins. Love it. Okay, so one of the things you can't really do in a chat setup is make a list and work on each of those items in the list. So we're gonna connect the output to our query, and then we're gonna look at the list and hopefully, yeah, there we go. See all, so the different, it chopped it up so that I can work on each of those individually. And we're going to create another text to work on each of those list items. Text strings for the, now I did want to create another list, and I don't want to write all that stuff that I wrote again. What was that again? I know, let's call it, I'm going to create a global variable here and use that text I created earlier. Um, Omit the introduction to the list or any summary after the list. Create a clean numbered list. Boop. So that's foo, and I can use that in my text over here. So I will say, for the following alien station, please describe its 5 major achievements $sign. Foo. There we go. And of course, this is going to be going to a query. And before I forget, we need to change something in the original text. We want it to be a prefix, so we will change that to true. Back to the node network, and let's cook this boy. Oh, what did I forget? Oh, I forgot. By default, they have limits. So let's cook out as many of those as we need. Shift C, and then we'll cook. Boop, 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 boop. And as you can see in the status window, we're cranking those ideas out. So, web item 5, web item 3. Oh, that's not right. I mean, that's a pretty big invention for a alien civilization, but let's see if we can make some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Yeah, there we go. That's pretty impressive for our alien civilizations.